After a long day, all you want is to walk into a welcoming home. I used to fumble for the light switch in my dark apartment, until I discovered smart home tech. One voice command, and the lights faded on, music started, and the whole vibe changed. That's the magic of smart home's simple, accessible convenience. This is your beginner's guide. No jargon, just what works, what to avoid, and the 3 essential gadgets to start with. We're not building a sci-fi mansion overnight, just adding a little wow, one step at a time. If you're ready to make tech work for you, hit subscribe and drop your questions below. Let's get started. My first foray into the world of smart homes? It wasn't a grand plan or a carefully researched purchase. It was a single smart bulb, gifted to me. A well-intentioned present from someone who thought I might appreciate the convenience. And, if I'm being honest, it sat on a shelf, unopened and ignored for weeks, maybe even months. I think at the time I thought it'd be complicated, a hassle to set up and frankly more trouble than it was worth. I envisioned endless menus and confusing instructions. But one lazy Sunday, with nothing better to do, curiosity finally got the better of me, and I finally decided to give it a try. Setup took maybe 3 minutes. It was surprisingly straightforward. Just screw in the bulb, connect it to my home Wi-Fi network, and done. The app walked me through everything. The first time I tapped my phone, selected the bulb in the app, and the lamp turned on, seemingly by magic, I was instantly hooked. I couldn't believe how easy it was. But the real magic, the moment that truly sold me on the potential of smart home technology, linking it to a voice assistant, that's when things got interesting. Lying in bed, already comfortable and drifting off to sleep, I realized I'd left the living room light on. Instead of getting up, I simply said, "Turn off the living room light." And it just happened. No effort, no getting out of bed, just a simple voice command. Suddenly, smart home tech wasn't just about having cool gadgets, it was about something much more profound. It was about removing those tiny, almost imperceptible daily hassles that we all just accept as part of life. That one bulb, that one simple experience completely changed my perspective on what smart home technology could be. It's not about filling your home with every piece of tech you can find, creating a complicated and overwhelming environment. It's about identifying real problems, those little annoyances that you encounter every day, and solving them one at a time with the right technology. Maybe for you, it's a coffee pot that starts brewing before you even wake up, ensuring a fresh cup is waiting for you the moment you step into the kitchen. Or maybe it's the peace of mind of being able to check if the door's locked after you've already left the house, eliminating that nagging doubt. Each device you add to your smart home ecosystem should serve a purpose, solving a real-world annoyance and making your life just a little bit easier. It shouldn't just add to the clutter, both physical and mental. Start small, enjoy the satisfaction of solving that one problem, and let your home work for you, anticipating your needs and making your life more comfortable and convenient. That's the core mindset. Focus on one device, one problem solved, one step at a time. For me, that initial spark was a simple light bulb. For you, it might be something completely different. The important thing to remember is that smart home tech isn't just for tech enthusiasts or early adopters, it's for everyone. Once you experience that first aha moment, that feeling of wow, this actually makes my life easier, you'll start to see possibilities everywhere, identifying new ways to leverage technology to improve your daily life. Don't worry about getting bogged down in brands or technical specifications at first. Focus on identifying those pain points in your day and finding solutions that genuinely make your life easier and more enjoyable. That's the feeling we're chasing, that sense of effortless convenience and control. Experience it just once, and I guarantee you'll want to explore more ways to bring that same level of convenience and automation into other areas of your home. So, as we move forward in this journey, always remember this key principle. Start with a real, tangible need, not just a cool gadget that you think might be fun to have. Let's work together to find your aha moment, that first experience that opens your eyes to the true potential of smart home technology. Ready to choose your foundation, to take that first step towards a smarter, more convenient home? Let's go. Before you even think about buying a single smart device, let's talk strategy. You need to pick your smart home ecosystem, the central brain, the command center, the very heart of your entire smart home setup. It's where everything connects and communicates. When it comes to choosing your ecosystem, you have a few main choices. There's Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. Each has its own strengths and quirks. Alexa is known for being super compatible and affordable. Almost every smart device out there works seamlessly with it. You'll find a huge range of options at various price points. Google Assistant is incredibly smart, leveraging Google's powerful AI, and it integrates perfectly, almost magically, if you're already deeply invested in the Google ecosystem and use Google services like Gmail, Calendar, and Drive. Apple HomeKit is all about privacy and security. It works seamlessly and beautifully with all your Apple devices, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience. However, the options for HomeKit-compatible devices are often fewer, and they can sometimes be a bit pricier than their Alexa or Google counterparts. So, how do you choose the right ecosystem for you? Start by taking a good hard look at what you already use. If you're an iPhone devotee, then you should probably go with HomeKit. If you're an Android user and rely heavily on Gmail and other Google services, then Google Assistant is likely your best bet. And if you simply want the most options and the widest compatibility, then Alexa is the way to go. But honestly, don't overthink it too much. Just pick one ecosystem and stick with it, at least for now, as you're getting started. Trying to mix and match ecosystems as a beginner is a recipe for frustration. It often leads to devices that simply don't talk to each other, creating a disjointed and confusing experience. Think of it like picking a game console. You can't play PlayStation games on an Xbox and vice versa. They're different worlds. Once you've made your choice, you've essentially set your foundation for your entire smart home. Now you can start adding devices that are designed to work together smoothly within that ecosystem. The good news is that all three major ecosystems do the basics: playing music, setting timers, and controlling your smart devices. Really, really well. So, take a moment to check your phone, your computer, and other devices you use regularly. Then, pick the smart home ecosystem that seamlessly fits into your existing digital life. That's going to be your platform for building your smart home empire, and with that crucial decision made, you're finally ready to purchase your very first smart device and experience your first smart home win. Let's build from here, one smart device at a time. Time for your first device, and the easiest win, a smart plug. It's cheap, simple, and instantly rewarding. Plug it in, connect it to Wi-Fi, and suddenly any lamp, fan, or coffee maker is smart. No tools, no wiring, just plug and play. Control it from your phone, or better yet, with your voice. Alexa, turn on the lamp. That first moment you control something with your voice, it's pure magic. Smart plugs also let you schedule devices. Lights on at sunset, coffee brewing before your alarm. It's a tiny investment for a huge boost in convenience. Most importantly, it builds your confidence. You'll see that smart home tech isn't complicated. It's practical. Don't start with complex gadgets. Start with a smart plug. Set it up, play with it, and enjoy the instant benefit. Once you've had fun turning things on and off, you'll be ready for more. But for now, celebrate that first easy win. It's the most important step. You've set up your first smart plug, the gateway to a smarter home. You're feeling the excitement, the potential, the sheer convenience that awaits. Maybe you've automated your lamps or your coffee maker, and now you want more. The possibilities seem endless, and the temptation to dive headfirst into the world of smart home technology is strong. But here's the biggest mistake, the one that trips up even the most enthusiastic beginners. Don't buy everything at once. Resist the urge to transform your home into a fully automated paradise overnight. It's tempting to go on a shopping spree, filling your virtual cart with every shiny new gadget that promises to simplify your life. The allure of a fully connected home is powerful, but that leads to overwhelm, a feeling of being buried under a mountain of tech you don't quite know how to manage. Compatibility headaches, the frustrating realization that not all devices play nicely together, and wasted money. So much wasted money on gadgets that end up gathering dust in a drawer. I've seen people fill their homes with gadgets, creating a smart home graveyard of unopened boxes and half-configured devices, only to get frustrated and give up, abandoning their smart home dreams in a tangle of wires and confusion. The secret? Go slow. Embrace the journey, not just the destination. Add one device at a time. Focus on mastering each device before moving on to the next. Live with each new gadget for a week or two. Give yourself time to truly integrate it into your daily routine. See how you actually use it. Observe your habits and how the device fits into your lifestyle. Does it make your life better? Do you use the features? Or is it just a novelty that quickly loses its appeal? This approach saves money and keeps things fun. It transforms the process from a stressful chore into an enjoyable hobby. You'll learn what you really need, not just what looks cool. You'll make informed decisions based on your actual needs and preferences. Maybe you thought you wanted color-changing lights everywhere. creating a vibrant futuristic ambiance, but realize you prefer simple warm white, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Build your smart home like Lego, one piece at a time, carefully selecting each brick to create a masterpiece. Fitting each new device into your real life, ensuring it seamlessly integrates into your existing routines and habits. Your assistant is the base plate, the foundation upon which your smart home is built. Your first plug is the first brick, the starting point of your smart home journey. Resist the urge to fill your cart. That overflowing cart can wait. Smart homes are built over months, not days. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Each device should solve a real problem or add real convenience. Focus on practical applications, not just flashy features. Be patient, enjoy the process, and your wallet and sanity will thank you. You'll create a smart home that truly enhances your life without breaking the bank or causing unnecessary stress. Ready for your next device? Stop. Always check compatibility first. Make sure your new gadget works with your chosen ecosystem: Alexa, Google, or HomeKit. It's as easy as looking for "works with Alexa/Google/HomeKit" on the box or product page. If it's not compatible, skip it. Otherwise, you'll end up juggling multiple apps and lose that seamless experience. Compatibility is the golden rule. It keeps your smart home simple and magical. Some devices work with all platforms, but as a beginner, just match your ecosystem. Every time you shop, look for that logo first. It takes seconds and saves hours of frustration. This habit will keep your smart home running smoothly. Check the logo, buy with confidence, and enjoy the harmony. The smart plug is the ultimate beginner gadget, simple, affordable, and endlessly useful. No wiring, no hassle, just plug it in and make any device smart. Instantly control lamps, fans, holiday lights, or even your coffee maker with your voice or phone. The real power? Scheduling and routines. Set your lamp to turn on at sunset, or create a good morning routine that starts your coffee and plays your favorite playlist. Smart plugs are cheap, often less than a fancy coffee, and deliver instant results. They're the perfect way to dip your toes into smart home tech. Start with one, see the benefits, and you'll be excited for what's next. If you're unsure where to begin, this is it. Buy a smart plug, set it up, and experience the convenience. It's the best first step you can take. Next up, smart bulbs. They take your lighting to a whole new level. Unlike plugs, smart bulbs let you dim, change color temperature, or even set millions of colors. Want bright light for work, warm light for relaxing, or blue for movie night? Just ask. Setup is easy. Screw in the bulb, connect to Wi-Fi, and link to your assistant. Name and group them for powerful voice commands. Turn on bedroom lights, or dim living room to 40%. The convenience is huge. No more getting out of bed to turn off the lights. Smart bulbs also let you create scenes, focus, relax, or movie night, all with a single command. Prices have dropped, so start with one or two in key spots. You'll quickly wonder how you lived without them. For your third must-have, think beyond convenience. Try a smart water-saving device. Smart shower heads or faucet aerators track your water use and help you save, without sacrificing comfort. Real-time feedback makes you aware of your habits, leading to real savings on your utility bill. Some alert you when you've hit your water goal or show usage data in an app. Saving water also means saving energy, since heating water is expensive. Over time, these devices can pay for themselves and help the planet. Smart water tools make your home not just convenient, but responsible. As you build your smart home, think about where a little data can make a big difference. It's a step toward true home intelligence. That's your beginner's guide to smart homes. Pick your ecosystem, start slow, and focus on 3 essentials: smart plug, smart bulb, and a water-saving tool. The goal isn't complexity, it's making life easier, one device at a time. Build your home around your needs, not the latest trends. Start simple, learn as you go, and have fun. The best smart home is the one that works for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment with your questions, and join our community. Check out more beginner-friendly guides on the channel. Until next time. 10.